Crafters, if fuzzy wires make you sneeze, this might be your new favorite tool. If you're a crafter like me, you know how fun and relaxing it is to create flowers. But let's be honest, cutting fuzzy wires releases tiny fibers that can fly around, trigger sneezing, and even cause allergies, especially if you're sensitive. That's why I decided to buy this dust collector, and it honestly made crafting so much more comfortable. It helps prevent those little fibers from floating in the air, so you are not constantly inhaling them while working. The best part is, it works perfectly, even as is because the filter can be brushed and cleaned. But I also bought dust collector filter paper. So after crafting, I can simply remove the top filter sheet and throw it away. Less mess, less stress, and more peace of mind. Sometimes, investing in small tools like this is not just about convenience. It is about protecting your health while doing what you love. Stay safe, crafters.
Welcome to a gentle space where creativity finds grace. Slow and soft, we breathe it in. Let the healing now begin. Simply Issa, Maria, crafting dreams with care. Pipe cleaner, flowers bloom.